Hi, my name is Fred Raby, and today I would like to give you a quick tour of NETGEAR's Insight Pro portal. Insight is a tool that allows management of multiple networks through a single pane of glass. It also allows for managing a network as an ecosystem of interconnected devices. Today we are looking at the Pro version of Insight, which is designed to allow managed service providers easy access to any customer networks they are managing. Now, when we first log in, we are greeted here with a view of our end user organizations. As we click into an organization, we then break it down by any different locations it might have. Since I am managing my home network, the extra organizations that you see here are just for show, but you can manage as many organizations with as many locations as needed. This is not limited by Insight Pro. Once we go into a location, we are greeted with an overview report, and from here we can access the different types of devices managed under Insight. If I click on wireless, we can see here an overview of this portion of the network. Here I should mention that the SSID is actually called disconnected. This is not a network status. But from here we can go into the device itself and manage options related to that specific device. For example, which clients are connected to the access point and what other networks are in range. I can also go into the location settings for the wireless network and here change options related to things like the SSID, as well as any applicable settings to access control lists and captive portals. With just a click of the mouse, I can then move on to the switches in the network, and here we'll see the same philosophy. We see an overview of the network, from which I can go into an individual device and see options related to that specific device. On a switch, this will be things like what ports are in use and how are they in use. I can also see statistics related to things like the PoE power consumption, and I can even easily reboot devices that are being powered by the PoE on the switch. You'll see I can also create and restore backups of that configuration, and these backups are available across different organizations on that portal. So if you find that you manage several businesses with similar needs, it is very easy to have a configuration up and running very, very quickly. When a firmware update is available, like we see here, I can actually run that update right then and there, or I can easily schedule that update for my next maintenance window. In this case, it's very easy for me to just simply set that to the next morning and ensure that when I wake up, all will be right in the world, my device will be up to date, and I can continue about my day. Finally, the account itself can be easily administered. And here I can do things like activate subscription licenses and also allocate those credits across any of the organizations on my portal. I can also provide access to the portal for anybody else inside or outside of my organization that may need it through our manager system. Here I can choose what organizations they see when they log in and also dictate if they have read-write access or read-only access. Well, that covers our tour for today. If you have any additional questions or would like any more information on this as a solution, please reach out to your NETGEAR account manager. And if you are not sure who that is, you can reach our commercial team at 866-420-2112, option 2. Thank you for your time today.